everyone. I'm by the names of Lord Sunny, artist. My real name is Waswa Hassan. I was born in Kampala, and I'm so happy to see all of you guys here. It's been a pleasure. I'm so happy and humbled to be part of the Mosh Entertainment.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy that everyone is here. I'm so grateful that I'm among Mosh Ent International. My name is Patience, aka Peshmelo. I'm an artist. I joined Mosh Ent International. I didn't join, but he signed me for music, to produce music, and I promised I won't disappoint him. And I'm so happy that he chose me.
By names, I'm Ronnie. A good evening to everyone. You're welcome to this place. My real name, I'm by Suga Ronald Nimwana Mamba I'm signed by Mosh Ent, and I'm glad because I have my talent, but in Uganda, you cannot push talent alone. You need assistance to gain out of it. Thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. My name is Jafar Suleiman, commonly known as Jeff. I've known Mosh for nearly 20 years. Me and Mosh go a long way in entertainment. I don't think there's ever been an event I've had in the UK without Mosh being part of it. So with that, supporting him doesn't come, it has to be there. You have to support your brother, and that's why I'm here. And to Mosh, we've talked about this. I remember we had discussions with him on how we can, try and transform and come up with something, new and fresh for the entertainment industry. I'm very glad you've gone ahead and, developed something unique. I'm proud of you, and I wish you all the best. In regards to what I'm doing and what you asked me to say about, I do events. I have a company called JF Solutions in London, registered at the UK and Scotland. So we do events. At the moment, I'm running the battle of Cindy and Sheebah. I have a few events running in the country here as well. I'll be doing Bali, Ginger. We negotiation to board after Mbara. If that goes well, then we'll be heading to London at the Royal Regency on the 4th of November, and then we'll head to Dubai on the 10th of November. That will be our last event. Thank you very much.
Balam season winner. So, Bampita Mosh Alim and Mbali Kolanga events for a long time. Take a promoting music. Abayimbi bandi nyobe nkoze nabo, nkoze ne Jose Chameleon for years and years. Nikakati nchakola naye Ready and Weasel, Ilsenre wali wano ye tukolagana mu bintu bingi nnyo. Winnie sola kubamalayo bonna abayimbi bonna Sheebah. So naye nga ebiseera ebisinga mbadde ngezaako nnyo okulaba abaana bato abalina talent. Ate ekirala njagala nnyo reason eriwo abaana bali balina ebirooto, twagezaako okulaba nga talent zaabwe zikrossinga zive wano zikrossingeko batuukeko oba kati bagezeeko kuyimba ng'aba Nigeria bakikola. So that's why nfunye abaana bemmanyi bendabi abalinamu talent, ate n'abalala balina talent era tugezaako okubakwatako. Tugezeeko bayimbe wano locally ate bagezeeko ne international. So basically kyekyo ekiriwo twagala local and international breakthrough.
Thank you, Kela. My name is Nixon with the Kalenan, as you know me. Ndimusanyufu nnyo kubeera nti bannamawulire muzze mutagatteko luno olunaku. So first of all, I'll introduce myself because I have 4 points. I have me, Mosh, you, and the artists. So I have been always at the point of orientation with music hopefuls, most of them in Uganda, and I'm sure that you're all aware of that. I have been at the starting desk for so many breakthroughs, and I've done that for 13 years. It's not simply the definition that people give me as a songwriter. I basically don't write songs. I make music, and I create strategy for breakthroughs, and I have done that for 13 years, and there are examples that evidence that, and you're all aware of that. So that's primarily the reason why I'm here. The second reason why I'm here is Mosh, which is my second point. I've known Mosh. Mosh yasoko okuntwala London in 2013. Is the man who took me, who gave me my first show in London. That's 2013. So from there, tubadde nga tukolagana okuva ku olwo n'abayimbi abalala, is a big and very, very serious promoter in the UK. He doesn't only work with Ugandan artists, but he works with all artists across Africa. So gw'obeera onowulira nti Banabo yali London, oyinza obutakimanya. Gyoba Wizkid yali London, oyinza okuba tokimanyi. Naye Mosh, n'oyo omusajja gw'olabye awo, oyo Jeff, beba bibeeramu. So he's really big in the events industry, and so when he comes here and he decides to support a talent and see how he can, nourish it and make it grow, it's to our advantage as Uganda. So I am happy that he decides to come here and to choose to invest his money in the talent that is really blossoming, but like with a lot of challenges in Uganda. Yeah, so that's Mosh Entertainment for you. It used to be Mosh Events, but now it's Mosh Entertainment International. So the other point is going to be the artists. So basically, as an orientation person, normally that people encounter at the beginning of their careers in my industry, I always have advice for music hopefuls. The number one point for you as a person who is looking forward to explode into the industry of music as a commercial figure is to keep yourself as you are right now. Like this happens with human nature. We are wired to explode, and once you develop, your mindset changes, and then your aspirations change, and then the perspective, how you see other people also change, and then how you see your manager 5 years from now may not be the way you see him today. But you can try and stay the way you are. Man, it takes not just urge for making money, but it takes interest and of course energy and money to decide to come into this industry, and for someone to choose you, and for you to find yourself here on this table. I will say on the average, I receive 4 phone calls from people who are hoping to become artists in Uganda every week. So there are millions of people who are really aspiring to our industry, to be part of our industry. It's like music, like everyone wants to be an artist. Not literally, but there's really a lot of people who would want to become that artist. You get? So if you find yourself that you're the person that has been chosen, you have to be thankful for that, and man, try not to lose it, because it's very, very easy to lose it. But that's when you lose yourself. You lose yourself and you start looking at yourself as a completely different person, then you lose it. You lose everything. So to the artists, let's make music. let respect be at the forefront of your definition. Be a very respectful person, man. Now that's for you, the artists. Let's make this cut. Tukube ndongo naye nga abantu betugikubira nga tukimanyi nti no batwagala. Okitegeera kuba abasajja abanene abali wane nabavaayo ne bagaba bakuteekemu ssente tekitegeeza nti baba bakweguya maana abaana bali awo bangi nnyo. I was for Kela, for your information, I took on the role of recruiting, finding people who are talented. And Mosh gave me 3 weeks to find a female artist that we would put on board. I asked for more time because there came so many, and it's not, it's very difficult to just pick on one and say, okay, this one. So banji. So kakati gwe wovudde woli wavudde w'abantu abalala 10. So you are the lucky person. So don't take that for granted. So now to the bakwano baffe bano bannamawulire. Bane muli bakwano baffe. Mutubeererawo nnyo. You're always our friends, especially at the beginning. Musigale ngera muli bakwano baffe mpaka okitegeera. Because here is the thing. Bannamawulire be bantu betwetaaga okwetuusa eri abantu abalala. Niera bannamawulire be bantu era abatufuukira akayinja mu ngatto. Mukitegeera nti tubaagala waneene emisana nga mulinga bakwano baffe, naye we mutuula ku kompyuta zammwe okukola ebintu byammwe ate tufuuka ba enemy bammwe oluusi. Bannaye nga bwe mujja waneeno ku beginning ne mutuwa amaanyi gano, musigale ng'era muli positive nga bwe muli, kubanga enkya ojja kwewuunya ate ng'ogenze ku Twitter y'omusajja oli ng'ate osanzeeko article ndala nnyo ng'eportrayinga differently. Bane musigale nga mulinaffe ebbanga mpaka era naffe tusigale nammwe kuba bane tubaagala. Nze bwe mbatunulira mwenna bannamawulire, mpozi oli mukwano gwange oli Michael, naye mwenna abalala bonna bendaba ndabanga mwenna nze mbasinga obukulu. So kitegeeza nti nabeererawo waaliwo abaaliwo, kakati ate ndabawo balala. So kitegeeza nti positions zino zitwalibwa abantu all the time. So when it's your time, when you're in that position, please treat people well. Mbasaba musigale nga mulinaffe nga muli balungi gye tuli. Mbagala nnyo bampita Nints and Red.
Anyways, guys, all I can promise these guys is we're going to push you as hard as we can. But you should. But you should also remember, as we're pushing you guys, you should also push yourself. To live on with that, I'm begging you, you already start because you have the star looks and everything. That's what I said. But if you become stars, don't forget us. That's all. Thank you so much.
Kansokecho omwami oli abuzizza oba nga mwagambye Uganda is a very risky place. Kyoba olaba abasinga etandika n'egenda naye nga bwe tugambye tubadde business eno for a long time, myaka 10+. Singa twali kikoze dda naye twasooka kwetegereza tulabe when we are ready. I think we are very ready. Ate nga bwegambye twagala kuliftinga ku baana abato, tikitegeeza mbulebero okukola oba kutwala kusayininga abantu. Tugenda bayamba mu ngeri endala okuba promotinga, okubayambako okukola music n'okubayambako in case mu kyonna kyonna kye baagala. Then yabuuziza international collabos. Okusookera ddala okuyimba olina okusooka local, okusooka ne muyimba wano. Kati nga bano basooke bayimbire mmwe. Singa bayimba wano ne bamukwata wano ne mugamba okay ne mubata, then bajja kulowooza ku collabos eziri international. Therefore now we're doing it locally.
Amanya nze ande atale kola ku Bogede TV. Omukulu industry gyozzeemu yeetaaga ssente nnyingi. Wenywezezza otya abayimbi nga bangi tebakumenye n'obasula omwaka gumu.
All right, so I think these are two questions in one. Yeah, I didn't call several. What were interview, personal interviews. So there are two questions in one. Listen, I'm moderator. You're going to help us, and we do personal interviews because the trainer would do. You? Okay, trainer. So we shall do personal interviews. I know all of us would want to ask something.
Kidamu eky'omwami era omwami kyagambye lwaki temugenda kudduka eby'essente tetugenda kwogera ku bya ssente naye nga we tuli ready empowering the dreams z'abaana not financially naye mu buli kimu then ekirala omwami kyabuuziza lwaki kwanze mikwano gyange gyonna wano bayimbi ba Fikfa Mike Akune Nielsen Ray n'abaana balala abato bangi nnyo nga unknowni ani bonna we bali lwaki nsazeewo okulonda nengamba Nielsen Ray noonyayo omwana atamanyiddwa si lwakuba bali already tukolagana nabo. I'm promoting them mbamanyi ne wagamba enkyaga agenda kuyimba wa Turkey oba watumagenda naye I wanted my own from scratch nkigezeeko ndabe like mungeri gyejjaga kubanga already yayina strategies ze zayagala era ajja kugamba nze wano siitawo wano mpitawo naye nze njagala ate gwe ngamba yita wano kyekyo.
I think I'm going to give